Okay, this is the heating system. This is the heater. This is the variable resistance. You can select the amount of temperature you want. This is the on and off. This is power supply. This is the fan. After the temperature has been heated, the fan will have to kick away or send away that moisture, that hot moisture. It's being sent by fans. So the wiring is very simple. Just the heating element, the variable resistor, on and off, and all that. So this is the typical household heating system. Thank you and subscribe.